For a mere 48 cents CAD per bottle, the 2 packs of eye drops I ordered were a fantastic bargain. They are super moisturizing, which is the most important part for dry or tired eyes. While the box was only slightly damaged, the contents were clearly intact and ready to use. A particular highlight is the really helpful squeezy end to the dispenser, making it easy to get just the right amount of drops out without waste or struggle. This sounds like an excellent find for the price. Only $3.48 for a pair. These contacts last 6 months, are extremely comfortable, come with tweezers and a suction application tool. Both will be shown soon, as well as a case for the contacts. With tweezers and suction tool for application, and of course a case. Only for $3.48, 100% recommended. This silkworm lining pen was amazing. The concealer highlighter made my silkworm pop, and the shadow contour was so deep. Loved it, and I highly suggest. This BB cream compact was so cute. The design of all the bears was SOOO addictive. Product-wise, the BB cream had decent coverage and great blurring properties. I recommend. Last but not least, we have this BB cream compact for 67 cents. It gives off a soft, dewy look and is extremely good for dry skin. It has a mirror and is super compact. Overall, the shipping wasn't bad. It took about a month, which was a little bit longer than expected. But other than that, the updates, whether on Canada Post's official site or on Oopbuy itself, were pretty consistent, but sometimes took a little bit of time. Overall, I highly suggest the service though.